Take a look at this video. You can see traffic on I-10 backed up with people trying to get out of town ahead of the storm. We want to bring in meteorologist Robert Suhr. You just saw that video of all of those cars leaving. Are we going to see any of the effects of Ida here in Arkansas?
A little bit, mostly clouds, which I'll show you folks here in just a second. But Ida is a very real deal. It's a very powerful storm, even though it's a Category 2. That is definitely not something to take lightly. We're going to start with a look at the infrared image of Hurricane Ida. They're taking up a large chunk of the Gulf. Now, a couple of things to notice here. It is looking a little bit more ragged, which is good news. The eye is shrunk in size, and it looks like a little bit of dry air is trying to sneak in on the westward side. The storm has weakened slightly since the last advisory, and we talked about all those people on I-10 evacuating. People continue to pour out of New Orleans. This is a live image of I-10. This is the bridge that takes you over Lake Pontchartrain. You can see all these cars headed northbound on I-10. Now, what they haven't instituted here is what's called contraflow, where they take all the lanes of the expressway and make them go in one direction. They haven't instituted that yet, and it doesn't. If they haven't done it now, it doesn't look like they will. But very heavy traffic continuing to pour out of New Orleans ahead of Ida, which right now has winds of 105 miles an hour. Still expected to be a very powerful Category 4 storm when it makes landfall sometime tomorrow afternoon just to the southwest of New Orleans. But the rotation around the storm is kind of the worst case scenario for New Orleans, and then it will move up basically the Mississippi River to the east of our area here. But as I said, it will be a tremendous rainmaker as it moves into the Appalachians and the Ohio Valley. I'll talk about our area impacts here in a second. Temperatures right now for us, mostly in the upper 80s and lower 90s. Take you outside to Sunset Mountain here near Winslow. What a great shot. A little bit of haze out there on the distance. River Valley right now, temperatures mostly in the lower 90s. We'll take you to Fort Smith. You can see some clouds out there. Pretty quiet day. Mostly very widely scattered showers tonight. As we showed you to start off the show, you can see that by tonight, mostly clear skies. Those showers kind of move out of the area. Then we'll see increasing clouds tomorrow, and then tomorrow afternoon, watching for a few more pop-up showers and storms. Probably a little bit greater coverage tomorrow than what we had today, which is why tomorrow is an impact day. And then waking up Monday morning, a mix of clouds and sun. Then those clouds will be on the increase as we watch where Ida will go. You can see right on the edge of that cloud deck from Hurricane Ida. So could have some overcast conditions, especially eastern parts of our area. Again, most of the rain should stay well to our east, but we could see some clouds, and that could lower our temperatures a little bit Monday and Tuesday before the system becomes a tropical depression and pushes well off to the east. Lows tonight mostly in the upper 60s and lower to mid 70s out there. We'll rebound tomorrow into the upper 80s and lower 90s for your Sunday. Taking a look at that extended forecast impact days Sunday and Monday for a couple of showers and storms around, and then we'll see those clouds from Ida start to decrease as we go through the day on Tuesday. And then after that, lots of sunshine and lots of clearing behind that. Same thing for the River Valley. We'll see those clouds on the increase Monday as Ida slides by well off to the east, and then those clouds will decrease Tuesday, and then temperatures start to warm back up slightly above average for this time of the year. Stay with us. We got sports coming up in 2.5 minutes.